Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram message issue. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram and update your Instagram application. And then you need to go into the settings and search and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram and go into the storage and cache and clear cache, and then you need to clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and open Instagram, and then you need to click on the messenger icon in the top right and select any conversation, and I'm going to send a test message, and now you can see that the message is sent. Let me show you. So this is a process by which you can fix message sent problem on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.